Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you guys a prompt that I use for market research, which helps me understand my target customers way better. And I just want you to follow through the entire video. The prompt will be in the description, and you'll get a way better understanding of your target customer, what their pain points are, what failed solutions they've had, what transformations they've gone through because of your product, etc. Just to give some context, my name is Niklas, and I've spent over $1 million on Facebook ads for my clients. And I recently kind of started working on this prompt, and now I feel like it's finished. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. So please let me know later if this helped you out. So first, you're obviously going to need your reviews. So head to your review app, if that's Looks or Judge Me or Trustpilot, whatever it is you use. As long as you can export it to a CSV, then that's all you need. So you're going to download it, and then you're going to upload that CSV file into Google Sheets. And you want to look for the column where the actual review is. So we don't care about their name or about their email or anything like that. We only want the review. Then you're going to press the column at the top just to select the entire thing. You're going to copy it into a Google Doc, and then you're going to export that Google Doc as a PDF. That makes it so that your actual reviews are isolated from all the other information, because we want Claude to only focus on that. And then once you have that PDF, you're going to download that as well. And then you're going to create a project in Claude, which I think you should know how to do. You just click create project, you call it whatever you want. And in this case, I already have mine. So you can see at the top here of the project knowledge, that's where you're going to upload that PDF into. And you're going to call it customer reviews, just so it knows what's up. And you can see I updated this 19 hours ago. I'd recommend doing it maybe every 2 to 4 weeks, just depending how many reviews your business gets in. I think with this client we get like maybe 100 reviews a week, so I do this every 2 to 3 weeks just to kind of keep everything up to date. But once you've done that, you're going to take the prompt that I pasted in the description, and you're simply going to paste it in here and press enter. And now this could take, usually takes around maybe 30 seconds for it to actually do this, but it's going to start coding the entire component for you. So I'll see you when this is done. Right, so now it's done. And as you can see, you have an entire, let me just move myself. You have an entire interface now, which is a component, which means you can always, if I click away from this, you can always go back here and click on it again to open it up again. So this will always be in your project. And what I asked it to do is to make 5 sections, basically pain points, failed solutions, discovery triggers, transformation, and golden nuggets. And this is really going to help you out, especially if you've just started working with a client or you're about to start doing Facebook advertising and you have a bunch of reviews. So when you do your market research, this will give you a very good overview of the pain points your customer have, the failed solutions they've gone through, any discovery / triggers, what made them buy, any transformational things, and then golden nuggets, which is essentially just really, really good reviews that you can use for ad copy as well. So out of 2,600 reviews, then I can see that 337 of them mentioned something that has with a pain point to do, and 37% of that was environmental concerns for this product specifically. Only 8% mentioned respiratory issues. So I could still write ads that focus every single one of these pain points, but now I know which one I need to focus on more, where I can expect more results. Just because on average, more than 1/3 of the mentions here in the pain points journey is environmental concerns. So that'll give you some insight. And then it will also provide you with some quotes for each one, just so you have like an example if you want to do like a testimonial ad or something in that sense. And the same goes for all of them. Failed solutions, ineffective eco products, 31%, versus expensive products, only 10%. So only 10% of people experienced that other products were too expensive, whereas 31% of people found them ineffective, and that's why they chose this one. Same thing here. Here we're going to see what made them buy, essentially. So 40% of people chose it because environmental consciousness, friend recommendations, health-related search, or social media. And this is just based off the reviews, so keep that in mind when reading this. This is a pretty important one, because here you can see this is basically on all reviews, because reviews usually are how the product actually helped them and why they liked it. So only 2% of people mentioned that it gave them peace of mind. So essentially, people don't give a shit about the fact that it gives peace of mind. Not many people, at least. So 53% of people liked that it gave them more effective cleaning and a pleasant experience. So family safety, better health, peace of mind falls in the bottom half of this part. So you still have some there. And then the golden nuggets, you can just open these and it's going to show you some really like good reviews that you can use for ad copy. And this is actually something I do for every client, just because it really gives me a good overview of what I need to focus on, just based off what the actual customers are saying. So this is a very good start for market research whenever you're doing anything. And you can always just, like I said, go out and go back into it. So that's all you need to do. I'll have the prompt in the description. So this is just going to help you perform better market research, essentially, so you can write better Facebook ads. This is not going to be the secret AI prompt that's going to get you to 300K. You still have to put in the work and write better ads, but it's definitely going to help you get a better overview over your own customers, what made them buy, what did they fail with before, and that's just going to give you super amazing intel on what to write. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't sell any courses or mentorships. If you'd be interested into working with me, you can book a call in the description, and thank you for watching.